Hey guys, this is going to be the just catch all for the solving with fractions. So you can see right now I put a pretty straightforward problem. X equals negative 7 over 9 times y. There's two ways to do this. So the first way I'm going to look at is just multiplying both sides by the reciprocal. If my coefficient is a fraction, I can always just multiply both sides by the reciprocal. All the reciprocal means is to flip the fraction. So let's look. If it's 7 over 9, my reciprocal is negative 9 over 7. If I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other. Okay? Now, the whole point of this is the right side will cancel, so I'll just finish the left side. Negative 9 sevenths x equals, this is going to cancel with that. Equals y, and you're done. Okay? Now, another way to look at this same exact problem is to look at it in two steps. And it's just, I know a lot of us have a hard time with fractions. That's fine. Some people outside are happy to see each other. So one way to look at this is it was negative 7. Then it was divided by 9. Okay. Or you know what? I'll put it in the frames we've been talking about. First, it was y. Then it was multiplied by negative 7. Then it was divided by 9. Okay. If we think about it in step by step, we see this fraction as two things, because technically a fraction bar is a division bar. There's no difference between them. That's why you ever notice you use this line for a fraction, you use this as a symbol for division, the top divided by the bottom. So if I think of it this way, I could have done it in two steps. The first thing I have to undo is times 9. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. So I'm at 9x equals negative 7y. Okay. Now my next step, I have to undo multiply by negative 7. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7. And look what we get. Negative 9 sevenths, because you always want the negative out front. And you could think of it as negative 9 sevenths x over 7 equals y. But this is actually the same thing as negative 9 sevenths x. And I know I've talked about that earlier because I showed you the one clip where I had half of a pizza or a pizza divided by 2. Whenever you have your variable on top, you can kind of just push it off. It doesn't need to be up there. Okay, so you could take negative 9 times x divided by 7, or you take negative 9 divided by 7 all times x. Okay, and these are things you have to get fluid with fractions. So this might just be something you have to do. In all math, there is no aha moment in math. There is just repetitive work until it becomes automatic, or you can think with automaticity, just like learning your letters. You might know your alphabet quickly now, but you didn't back then. You had to say it over and over again. You had to dress up in clothes. Remember, we used to dress up in your, I did R, I was Rubber Band Man. But that's enough on the remediation on that. Let me know if you need more help, and that will finish this out. Good luck, and that should end the chapter. Thanks, guys.